In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change checkout language on Shopify. If you sell to customers in different regions, making your checkout clear and comfortable in their language is a small change that can make a big impact on conversions. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, straightforward way and give you helpful tips as we go. Start by opening your Shopify store. Head into your admin dashboard so you're in the main area where you manage your store. From here, click Checkout. This opens the Checkout settings area where all the options related to your checkout experience are grouped together. It's the right place to adjust the text your customers see when they're completing their purchase. Next, scroll down. As you move through the page, you'll come to the section dedicated to the checkout interface. Here you will see checkout settings that control what customers read during each step of the purchase, from contact information and shipping to payment and order confirmation. Take a moment to get familiar with this area so you know exactly what you're editing. Now, click Edit Checkout Content. This is the editor that lets you change the language that appears throughout the checkout. You'll see fields for things like button labels, form instructions, error messages, and confirmation text. Think of it as your master list of phrases used at checkout. From here, feel free to customize and edit what's necessary. Keep translations precise, consistent, and customer-friendly. Update key items like continue to shipping, pay now, billing address, and any instructions customers might rely on. If a term doesn't translate literally, choose wording that sounds natural to your audience while preserving meaning. Pay special attention to error messages. Clear guidance here prevents frustration and reduces abandoned carts. If the editor provides a search bar, use it to quickly locate specific phrases and check any placeholders or variables to make sure they read correctly in your language. For accessibility, keep sentences concise and avoid jargon. As you refine the content, review the flow from start to finish so the tone and terminology match across every step. If your store supports multiple languages, make sure your edits align with your storefront language settings so customers see a consistent experience. It's also a good idea to run a quick test checkout to confirm everything looks right on desktop and mobile. That's it. You opened your Shopify store, clicked Checkout, scrolled to the Checkout section, selected Edit Checkout Content, and customized the text that matters. With these adjustments, your checkout will feel clear, polished, and easy for customers to complete.